I guess we're starting vlog episode 10 off with a bang, being that I didn't know I was gonna vlog today until I showed up to the field and it was like, hey, I got a school project. Do you mind if I follow you around and take pictures for like a day in the life? Well, guess what that means? Big vlog day. And I also showed up to the field and realized that I have to sign autographs before the game. So I'm gonna 1000% throw the GoPro, throw the vlog on my head and sign autographs. Welcome to episode 10 of the vlog.
Oh, there you are. Hey, that bat, I like the feel of the bat, but the wood is just terrible.
Does this mic work? I've never done a wireless transmitter receiver lavalier with my GoPro block, but we're doing it because I want to catch a flag down. I have an unboxing. There's the guy.
What up?
How did it feel to shove yesterday and then come back with a 92% recovery?
It was good. Robby gave me a challenge. He said there's no way that you'll come in the green tomorrow, and there's lunch on the line, by the way, so I'm glad.
Oh yeah, what do you want, by the way? We'll order up today.
Wait. Gotta let the vlog know.
Yeah, what do you want to let them know?
92%.
92%.
Very impressive.
That's unreal. That's unheard of.
Yeah, I didn't think it was possible.
Unheard of.
Until it happened.
Haven't seen it. Right there. Starting to feel dangerous, dude. I'm back. Hey, what's up with this weather? Ah! Dude, I'm telling you, I found the grip. For me, it's pinky. If I can get like my pinky like over it.
Get your bent arm on this side.
Because that takes way more speed off. I think I'm gonna prop it up and then just mic up shagging. Yeah. Mic'd up shagging? Sure.
Got it, you got it.
Yeah. That's me. That's me, General. Get the heck out of here. I think I just tore my Achilles. Oh, let me get that. Your boy. Oh, route. Oh, funnel. I can't even see where the lens is pointing now. I got it. Oh, your boy. Content. Stick. Beautiful. Tight. Need some action. Here you go. Funnel. Oh, the quickest hands transfer in the league. Sorry, Tyson. That sucks. Hold this real quick. I gotta tell my parents. Oh yeah, we're live. We're live. I like how they pick two guys that are on the disabled list to sign on.
Because we're not playing, bruh. But don't worry, I'm back next week. I'm back on this thing. Been 3 weeks too long, me sitting on the pine.
Vlog content. Signing on. Are we supposed to be here?
No, right here.
Oh, we're supposed to be sitting down.
These are kind of gas. All right, well, hold on. What's the best one? This one I do not like.
Yeah, you look about 150 pounds soaking wet.
This one was good.
Oh yeah, you look a little big there.
This one was nasty with a triple.
Oh yeah. Well,
This
only hit
one,
that year.
Yeah, okay.
There's an all-star
This
card in
one,
there, so
That's nice.
nasty.
Yeah.
This one, all-star card. So yeah, once you
Oh yeah,
put
where
it
you
down
slowed
here.
down so you had to dive.
Hey.
You guys on the ball. Now you guys. What picture are we taking now? You taking a pic? Yeah, me. You and me? Yeah. Selfie in it? There, Grace. No?
In the vlog. In the vlog. Oh yeah. In the vlog.
Yeah, the other team felt bad that we were too good, so they're gonna sit us tonight. Yeah.
You want to come off the DL soon?
Yes, I'll be back next week.
Good.
Yes.
Good.
Hopefully.
24 hours later.
What's up? We got to do an unboxing with 27% battery while in the outlet charging. So I'll bring the box over here. For him, glove companies. You guys know how much I love my gloves. You know about my faith. It's the best of both worlds. We're gonna check these out. So, wow. There's gonna be 3 totals. That's swag. Let's go. That could work. That's solid. And it's the colors of the team, or was that the complication? Was that it came out blue? That might have been it. He didn't like that it came out blue, but that's pretty good leather. That's really good leather. This one definitely came out blue. Fold it up. This is the one. Oh. I was gonna say the leathers were actually pretty good. It's pretty stiff. I'm impressed with the stiffness of the one leather. Oh, that's why he spelled my name wrong. Ah, that's why he redid it. Oh, and then so when they redid
That's the one too.
so when they redid it, it came in a different color. That's
this one?
Yeah. But that's still, that's not purple, is it? That's like navy? I'm colorblind.
No, it's purple.
We're just gonna flare this and then we'll be freaking cooking with gasoline, that's for sure. Okay, so we got For Him Glove Company. Follow them on Facebook, Instagram. We'll try to put the stuff in the description below. Thank you, Chase, my man. I appreciate you. Sorry for it being such a grind, but much love, dude. Yeah, for sure. This one, like I said, this I love the color scheme, but for some reason, like my hand itself is a little bit restricted getting in the glove. It's all the way. The leather quality is stiff. It's good. You can tell it's good leather. This one, I think, is a totally different leather. Like it's kind of flimsy. This one is really nice. This is really nice leather, really stiff, firm. It's gonna shape. I mean, you can already see it's already shaping the pocket, forming to how I want it. So yeah, keep you guys posted on how my hand breaks after catching a 92-mile-an-hour sink piece from our clubby. All right, the vlog gets a first-hand look at how your boy breaks in gloves. I've done this 17,000 times and get crap for it every single time. So I'm gonna dip this in this hot water for kids at home. Make sure it's not as hot as this water. You wanna get it up to the fingers. Don't get it in the pocket itself. Play around with it, 10, 15 seconds at tops. Depending on the leather, if it's good leather, water won't affect it too much. What it's gonna do is then when you put the softball in afterwards, it's gonna mold to that pocket. Now, obviously you can still form a glove just right out of the bag, but this is gonna expedite the process just a little bit. So now, I'm gonna take the softball here, slam it like right in that pocket, and then my good friend Kyle here is gonna then take one sanitary, and you're gonna put it from here, and it's gonna wrap around the ring finger. Ring finger is gonna get pulled down, and then it's gonna cut right over the @ sign and over like that. So remember, you're tying this.
Yes.
So you gotta get some leverage.
I know how tight
Like
we
as
want it.
tight as you humanly possibly can.
That's
Oh yeah. Nope, reset. This has gotta go down here.
I see what you're saying.
So like this. Now, if you can go, hold that. Hold that in.
Tight
more.
enough?
No,
You want my
pull
tighter?
this in more. Yep.
Like so.
Yeah, and then get it, like wrap that around.
Okay.
Alright, so you go like this, and you go like this, and then hump, and then hump, and then, whoops. Ew, dude, is it?
I was about to say, that I was about to say, see, it's not as easy as you thought with this sock. The sock is faulty.
Then,
Yeah, there we go.
then you hang it. You're supposed to hang it outside, but
Like a basket.
we're not going outside. There you go. Voila. Thanks, dude. Appreciate it. You ever breaking a glove like that?
No, that's why when you said to tie it,
Okay, guys. 57% battery. Just making our way out to the game. Lights are on. Still sunny out. 3D energy drinks. I'm gonna have to hop this one. It's not gonna be good. Okay. Here we go. Athlete. Got it. Whoa. Get better at that every day, huh? There's a lot of people here.
Just a few.
Okay, well, here. Samuel,
You're on the vlog. You made it.
for everyone watching, confess to your crime.
Well, first off, do they know what I did?
No, you have to say the whole thing.
I did something really bad. I ate his lunch, ladies and gentlemen. It was a Five Guys burger, very expensive, very delicious, but I wouldn't know that unless I ate it. I ate half of it. I'm deeply sorry, Robby. Yeah, the reason why I feel bad is because this guy was grinding through autographs for an hour, looking forward to crushing a full triple cheeseburger from Five Guys. And I messed that up for him.
All right, man. I'll ponder the option of accepting your apology.
Hello, hello. Oh my God.
Oh man, I was really hoping for a jump.
12-year-old.
Oh yeah,
Maybe 13, I don't know. Rushers win. I'm gonna go get some fireworks in me because, you know, we can. Isn't that a perfect way to conclude the vlog?
Hey, what's up?
Hey, you're on the vlog. I heard the Sunday is the best one.
No, tomorrow.
Why?
It's recording, Robby. Okay, well, we got out of there, so that's good. Let's turn that down. We got out of there pretty quick. Usually fireworks call for really bad traffic, so that's good. But good way to conclude a vlog. Fireworks, a win, a quick game. Beautiful, beautiful. Busy day, arms getting there. We're on the comeback train. Trim my beard, so that's cool. So yeah, thanks for watching. Love you guys, God bless. Until next time, I'm gonna start doing handoff vlogs. I'm gonna give the vlog to a random player, person, staff, who knows? It'll be fun. See ya. Bye.